So why during one of the biggest moments in crypto history, the door opening to trillions and trillions of dollars flowing into the crypto space for the first time ever, are we experiencing pullbacks? Well, there's two specific reasons why, and I want to get into both of these with you guys. Now, I will say, in terms of the price of ADA, we are actually looking pretty good. We're right on pace with what we've done historically. Again, would not be surprised if this is the trend that we continue to ride out. Again, this was what we saw running into the last halving. History tends to mirror itself. There you go. We look at BTC. Again, I've said many times, this is very similar to what we experienced moving from 2015 into 2016 and that market cycle. We saw a rise to end the year. We saw consolidation to begin the year. The charts are actually very similar here as well. And this is what we experienced running into the halving in 2016. So it would not surprise me if this is the path that we follow. Now, why I think this sideways trading makes some sense on the charts here, why I think even with ADA, this sideways trading makes sense on the charts here, is one of the big reasons why we experienced a pullback in terms of BTC. The reason we saw a massive drop was actually the FTX bankruptcy estate was selling into the market following the ETF announcement. There is currently heavy selling volume in Bitcoin. I expect the oversupply to clear within the next 6 to 8 trading days. So obviously we saw a lot of people open up long positions again on leverage like they always do. Not smart moves. As always, you can do what you want. This is not financial advice, but we've seen this happen again and again and again, right? Stop playing with leverage. You will get yourself wrecked, and they wreck the charts, frankly. All right. So that's what we experience right now. And again, this is a reason why I think this sideways trading for the next probably week or so actually makes a lot of sense in both these charts. Again, there's still big correlation. We're still following what BTC is doing. That's the path we're going to follow. But I think one of the bigger things, the second thing that I think is impacting the market right now is uncertainty and lack of clarity. And here we are again, this same tune that we've been singing for, the better part of 2 years. And unfortunately, Gary Gensler came out, I believe it was yesterday or 2 days ago. And what he said was, oh yeah, we don't endorse Bitcoin. We don't support Bitcoin. Well, you actually do. You just created an entire asset class that the underlying asset backing these new assets is Bitcoin. You have directly endorsed and supported Bitcoin by creating this asset class. So unfortunately, Gary Gensler is acting in bad faith. He's actually not following what the SEC has said. His own bias is again showing itself. Gary Gensler needs to be fired, 100%. Unfortunately, he is very biased in his ways. He is spreading misinformation, and he's the head of the SEC. That's a big problem. He's not about protecting investors. He's not about protecting the American people. He's about protecting his own interests. Now, and I don't want to get to, crazy tinfoil hat theories, whether he's acting in bad faith because he's trying to secure a position or whether there are bigger powers behind him trying to get prices lower, I don't know, right? Who knows what his reasoning is behind this, because he went from a time of being pro crypto before he became part of the SEC to pushing back on crypto. Doesn't really make much sense, right? So right now, these are the things that we're contending with. Again, would not be surprised by some sideways trading, some consolidation. They're in the cards right now. They're in the charts right now too. So we'll obviously see just how long this takes. Hopefully we knew this FTX liquidation series was going to come at some point in time, and it is what it is. Eventually it'll be gone. The bags are not limitless, and we'll be able to continue on with the path that we were setting. So I appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Show your support below. Let me know your thoughts, but have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.